Well, hello to you. He's excited because I'm about to test and review the rhubarb wine that I made, he made, we made back in November. It was his very first wine that he ever made, wasn't it, boy? So he's really excited because he wants me to see what it's like. So why don't he join us, as we do, the taste review for his rhubarb wine. So we started this wine off about 4 months ago, and it fermented really, really well, didn't it? It did, absolutely. It was bubbling and the air was going like crazy. And we think it's going to be really tasty. So I can't wait to test it and try it. And he can't wait to see what you all think of it. So if you've tried this wine, let us know what you thought of it down in the comments below. This wine took a fair while to clear, and I think that is because I did not add any pectolase to the recipe. So thank you, Bernard. Your suggestion of adding pectolase was very wise, very sound. And I will do for my next recipe. Next year I'll add some pectolase. Because your advice in the comment down below said this. And I'm pleased you like the videos as well. The wine itself is a bit cloudy because I didn't add the pectolase as I should have done. To be honest, I forgot. I've used it in the past, but this year, it was an oversight. We all make mistakes. So let's try the wine. Normally now, if you know me, I like to mess around, pour a few fancy shots of the wine being poured in, bit of slow mo, bit of colour filter, bit of razzmatazz of the wine going into wine glass, bit of wine porn for you, but my battery's dying. So what I'm going to do is quickly pour a glass of wine, and I'll have a taste whilst I charge the battery, and I'll get back to you very soon. So if my battery dies before I pour a glass, wine, glass, and I merge the two together, and I'll see you soon. And we're back. We have power, we have energy. The lights are on, the battery's charging, and the glass of wine, not bad. Rhubarb crumble and custard come to mind. Well, it would do. It's rhubarb wine. All we need now with it is a decent drop of cheese. Something milky, cheesy, just to complement the tartness of it. Or maybe something fatty like duck. I always think that rhubarb wine goes really well with duck and fatty meats like that. It's crisp and sweet. Or the tart. It's a weird one. It sits in your palate. It's fruity sweet without being sweet. Not sugary sweet, but fruity sweet and tart and tasty and delicious. As for the colour, it is a bit hazy. I should have used pectolase in with the original recipe. But have a look. You can see what I mean by that haze on it. It's
really pretty pink, though.
It's really pretty pink indeed. Pretty pink. It'd be great if it was sparkling as well. I really want to make a rhubarb champagne or sparkling wine this year. I'm planning on planting and growing a load more rhubarb, because I can't get enough of it. I probably make about 10 gallons of rhubarb wine a year, and cupboards full of rhubarb chutney and jelly and rhubarb jam, and I still want more. It's one of those brilliant perennial hardy plants that grows like a weed up here, so I'm going to grow a load of it this year. Anyway, the colour is superb, the flavour is spot on, Cloudiness is because the pectinase and the pectin levels in the wine. And I know that. I know where to improve next year. So if you're going to follow the video of the recipe that I made last year, I would add some pectinase to it. I'll incorporate that into the notes down in last year's video. But above all, it's a spot on glass of semi-sweet, tasty, fruity, delicious fruit wine, rhubarb wine, that would cut through any fatty dish or complement cheese. It would complement a dessert. It would go well with meat, steaks, crab, fish, lobster, cheese, and it would go even well with a fish finger sandwich, which is what I'm having in about 20 minutes time. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and the recipes I try and put out to you. We like interesting wines, unusual, exotic, weird, wonderful, bizarre wines. And I have quite a few interesting wines coming up. At the moment I have a licorice wine on the go and also a mustard wine. So watch out for those videos, subscribe up above in the link, and I will see you soon with more and more updates. Have a good night now. Cheers!